growing tired of this place.
Venture outside then.
What?
Venture outside if you're growing tired.
But it's raining. If I leave here, I'll get drenched.
Drenched? At worst, you'll get wet. Exactly. What? What? It is raining out there, yet warm in here. Best to watch the rain by my side.
It certainly sounds a lot nicer than going out there.
So stay, let me warm you well. It would be more pleasant for us all that way. Nothing to lose in comfort. Yet nothing to gain.
You really think so?
Of course. Stay in the same place for long enough, and even a flame will burn out.
But if leaving means going through the rain, is it really worth it?
Is warmth worth stagnation? Your desire for change shows your answer. Don't let your temptation blind your instinct. That uncertainty you feel is nature's sign of danger. What if you get soaked for nothing? Worse yet, be seen in that sorry state. Then everyone will know you were foolish enough to ignore your fears and abandon. All right, enough of that. What's so wrong with ignoring fear? You'd be far from the first to benefit from doing so.
I suppose others are walking despite the rain.
And you'll see many more once not trapped behind glass and coddled by warmth. Look upon that shell, an unnatural imitation of morbid discomfort. Keep heeding its advice and you'll next be stuck staring upon its eyes, thinking yourself a faux skull on a shelf.
I suppose you're right. They must be stronger than me, to be unfazed by the cold wind and wet. I doubt I'll be able to do. But the clouds are so dark and the rain is only getting heavier. Your lack of limbs.
No, rather my lack of preparation. I see. Do not let the force of rain deter you. There are many ways to prepare for it, rather than hide. An umbrella, for example. Greetings. My limbs are long, and my shade is spun. I am happy to make your acquaintance. Hey, you're going to save me from the rain then?